right curtain lengths can make a significant impact on the overall look and feel of a room. However, it's essential to get it right to achieve the desired aesthetic. In this video, we'll guide you through how to choose the right curtain lengths and what to avoid. Let's get started. Some tactics in choosing the correct curtain length. For better guidance for the readers, there are some strategies for selecting the correct length of your curtains listed below. 1. Measure your windows. The first step in choosing the right curtain lengths is to measure your windows accurately. Measure the height from the top of the window frame to the floor to determine the desired length of your curtains. 2. Decide on curtain length options. Once you have your measurements, decide on the curtain length option that best suits your style and needs. Here are some common options to consider. Floor length curtains that just touch the floor or have a slight break are a classic choice that works well in most rooms. Puddle length curtains are longer than floor length curtains and create a luxurious, dramatic effect by pooling on the floor. Floating length curtains hang just above the floor, creating a modern and tailored look that's ideal for contemporary spaces. 3. Avoid too short or too long curtains. When choosing curtain lengths, it's crucial to avoid curtains that are too short or too long. Curtains that are too short can look awkward and unfinished, while curtains that are too long can create a cluttered and messy appearance. 4. Consider the room's functionality. Consider the functionality of the room when choosing curtain lengths. For example, in a bedroom, floor length or puddle length curtains can create a cozy and luxurious ambience, while in a kitchen or bathroom, shorter curtains may be more practical. 5. Factor in curtain rod placement. Finally, factor in the placement of your curtain rod when determining curtain lengths. Mount the curtain rod slightly above the window frame to create the illusion of taller windows and allow for proper draping of the curtains. By following these tips on how to choose the right curtain lengths and what to avoid, you can ensure that your curtains enhance the beauty and functionality of any room in your home. Whether you prefer floor length, puddle length, or floating length curtains, finding the perfect length will elevate your space's overall aesthetic. Thanks for watching.